Hopefully he can get them done in the next couple of days or maybe by the weekend. But until then, I'll be driving around with these things. Hey guys, so welcome to another little vlog. It's so dark right now and I've decided to vlog. Hopefully this video actually comes out alright. Basically, Nov is just working on my Supra. He's taking my wheels off and putting standard ones on so we can actually get them painted black. So yeah, I've definitely decided I'm going back to black. It looks so much better. So currently he took 2 back ones off last night and put standard ones on, and just being black, even standard, it looks so good. So I can't wait until he's painted. We've decided that Nov's gonna paint them, but like do it actually properly now, take everything off, not like we did last time. So I'm really excited about that. But basically in this video I just want to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I like hit 1,000 subscribers the other day, and I know it's still really small, but honestly we do this for fun, and just to have 1,000 people that click subscribe and want to see our videos, well, you know what, that's pretty damn cool. If anyone's wondering, maybe not, if you want to wonder for your V8 Editor channel, what the heck is that? What the heck is some slow-mo shot? That is not cool.
It's a plug. It's a plug.
But basically, if anyone's wanting a few tips on how to get to your first 1,000 subscribers, let's just say this, it took me about, I'm gonna say it's been 9 months. I think my first video was last December. That is a long time. It's taken me to get to 1,000 subscribers. So basically the only thing I can put it down to is just make videos, make content, and that's about it. And if I could make more content and I was actually motivated and had the time to do this, like, I don't know, like daily, I'm pretty sure the channel would be growing a little bit faster too. But honestly, some days I can't, I'm just too busy and to actually make more videos. But I have thought about it and decided to maybe like venture into slightly, I don't know, different videos too. I don't know, some days it's not just car related, we could definitely vlog about some other stuff. So I'll see how I go about that. But basically, it's taken me 9 months. I think it's been 9 months now to get to 1,000 subscribers, and yeah. But I gotta say, every minute of it has been fun. I absolutely love editing, I love making videos, I love the cars. So yeah, definitely excited to see where the channel goes. And I guess if you just don't start something, you never know what it can be. It took me 1 year to put out my first video. So I did a vlog with Nov when we went to Heathcote back probably like 2 years ago now, and I was so embarrassed to put it out, and I just now regret and wish I had started earlier, because imagine another year of videos. Things could have been a lot better and I could have had so much content. And you know what's funny? I had so much good content about all these car things we were doing back then, but I don't know, I just didn't put the video out. I was too shy. I was thinking, what's everyone gonna say, and all these thoughts. I'm really glad I started vlogging. Absolutely love this car journey we're on, and excited for more things to come. You gotta love it when your personal mechanic works on your car at like 8 PM at night in the freezing cold. Yes. Oh, wheels, you're gonna look so much better once it's painted. Literally cannot wait. Honestly, I've decided everyone needs a Nov in their life. Who else is gonna do their wheels at 8 PM on a cold Sunday night?
Everyone can use a bit of Nov.
Everyone could use a bit of Nov. Still got his stickers on from Kudamundra. And I'm pretty sure that one is literally never going to come off. How you going, Nov? Can you tell us about that clunkety sound you found the other day?
Yeah, 2 bushes.
My bushes are stuffed, guys. They are like literally stuffed. Well, did you fix the ones in the rear?
I just changed one of the control arms. Most of them need replacing anyway.
Yeah, I can't wait for these black wheels. They're going to look so much better. Look, let's be real. You cannot compare. Like when I took a photo of my car this morning in the car park, you could not compare how good just the black standard ones even look compared to the silver. Excited. Should I tell them about my sliding on the freeway? So you guys, funny story is the other day we were heading off to the shops and the roads were pretty wet. I was driving the Supra and I was turning to go onto the freeway, and my car started to like literally spin out of control. Now it wasn't too crazy, but it started to go like left to right, like I was full on sliding. And I was like, he knew it was going to happen. He's like, slow down. I wasn't going too fast, but I took it probably a little bit faster than I normally would. And the roads being wet, anyway, I controlled it like a boss, so I was happy with that. Noel was like not too impressed, but then I think he was impressed that I controlled it and didn't hit anything. Thumbs up to me. But basically when he's been fixing these bushes and pulling this thing apart and the tires, he's noticed how bald my back tires are. So let me show you guys, and that's probably why I was sliding out of control. So this is what we're talking about. So Nov has kissed it and said I need new tires, so we're gonna have to organize that ASAP. It definitely did not help me the other day in the rain. Yeah.
The shitty tires anyway. What are these? Oh, these are Continental apparently.
I don't know.
My ass Continentals.
Nov's not falling for it.
I fall around.
How did that happen?
No idea.
Nov, how was the Hondas?
It's good.
Yeah? What was your favorite car? Did you see anything that you don't normally see?
Yeah, you see a NSX supercar.
NSX supercar. That red one that you were showing me, insane.
That's fine.
That is just insane. That paint job, oh, just looked amazing. That's pretty cool to see. I missed out, dude. We've been to some sick meets, but I don't know, whenever I'm not there, I feel like I'm missing out. We get a lot of questions of people asking us, like, how do we find out about the meets? We honestly just follow the organizers pages for the meets. There's a couple of like main ones, like say Tuned and Downshift, but then there's heaps of others that we go to as well. Basically, when you see a meet, or like even if you see like a Game Set Quarter video about it, just follow the organizers. It's always tagged. Whenever they have a meet, just like press interested or something so it's in your calendar and you'll know. And then yeah, you'll know exactly when the meets are coming up. That's what we do. We follow heaps of the organizers, and that way we know about all the meets. We can't unfortunately make it to all the meets, but we do make it to quite a lot, and especially like all the really big ones and stuff. So yeah, so we got Tune this week, and that should be pretty damn fun. I don't know if you heard, but Tune's having another exhaust comp. Are you going to enter? You won the last one. Are you going to enter and try win again?
Should I?
Yeah, damn straight you should.
What if I lose?
What if you lose? Well, I don't know. You can't win everything. You can always try though.
Yeah, maybe I'll do something something different this time around.
Whoa, what are you planning?
I don't know. I do have a lot of settings.
You do? I know. I reckon this time you play around with those settings, you pick the best thing, like you practice it, and then you go.
I'm just scared of starting a bushfire. That's
A bushfire? Come on. The meet's not in the Dandenong Mountains. You'll be right. Nov has demanded that we come and check my tire pressures, because he is not happy at all. Basically, I'm going to drive around with these stock wheels for maybe, I don't know, hopefully he can get them done in the next couple of days, or maybe by the weekend, which would be pretty damn awesome. I'm not sure this is focusing. Which would be pretty damn awesome, but until then I'll be driving around with these things. So yeah guys, I might leave tonight's vlog here. Just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you in the next one, which will hopefully be this week, and I'll try and really try hard to do a couple more vlogs this week. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Stop making fun of me, Nov. It's all you do. It's all you ever do. It's like your life goal. God damn it.